Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Alternative Income. And oh my God, I just found a money maker on YouTube on my videos. I have been creating videos, but I didn't know this secret. People, this is a money maker. So today we're going to talk about a Chrome extension called VidIQ. VidIQ is a Chrome extension only, not a Mozilla or any other browser extension. It only works on Chrome for your videos. So questions I'm going to answer today. Is it free? Yes, it is a free extension, free to download. What are some of the uses of the VidIQ extension? When you install it on your Chrome browser, it is a very good extension when it comes to YouTube videos. Like you can see, I have already downloaded it on my side. So for example, if you go on YouTube, I had already opened YouTube, and this is one of the videos that I am now looking at with the VidIQ Google extension. So from the Google extension, you can be able to analyze a YouTube video. Like you can see here, this is a video about Zimbabwe's exotic meat, super rare African village food. Now, this is the best food review show, and they do shows on food. And from here, using the VidIQ extension, you can be able to know all about the video. Like you can be able to see the views. This is a graph showing the views based on days, and you can be able to see some of the optimization checklist. This is a very good tool when you're creating videos, so that you can be able to know, is my content really selling? Is it a clickbait or is it not? You can see when you analyze here, when the tool, the Google extension tool is analyzing, you can see here the video optimization checklist. We can see the title of this is a tick from the checklist here from this tool. The tag, they say it's too short. Description, it's all right. No cards, no end screens. You see, it gives you a checklist of everything that you need to know about your video. When you scroll down, you can see because I'm using the free version, when you want to know any controversial keyword that you can be able to use in your video, you have to upgrade. So because I'm doing a tutorial, I'm using the free version because it is free. Anyone can afford it because there is no single cent that you're going to utilize here. You can see from the tool, you can see all the total views, the average daily views. You can be able to see video tags. You see, some of the video tags are ranking at number 18. You see number 37, 4, and really street food. You can see the topics of the video. You can see most of the tags, and as you all know, these tags are the ones that are going to make your video optimized. And by optimization, I mean your video is going to rank and you are going to get more views on YouTube. So this is a very good extension tool. From here, you can be able to see the analytics of any video that you want on YouTube. So the first thing that you are going to do so that you can download this, you go on your Google Chrome browser and you key in the word VidIQ. And when we key in the word VidIQ, you are going to see some of the options, and this is the original VidIQ. It is a free version. You can see it is all free here. Is it worth paying for? Let's look what they're saying. Yes, VidIQ is a legit tool. It provides you real YouTube analytics and data for keyword volume, trading videos, competitors, VPH, tag suggestions, and a lot more. So it is a very good extension tool. If you're a content creator out there, please don't be left behind. Which is better, Tubidi or VidIQ? They say overall both tools are great for YouTube videos and can be used to improve your channel. The main difference between the two is that VidIQ offers more tools for video research, management, optimization, which can be overwhelming for those who aren't familiar with this kind of stuff. You see, when you see Google, when you see when you search it on Google and it is being ranked with so high remarks like this, is a very good tool. So I urge every creator to be able to download it, use the free version if you can afford it, so that you can be able to monetize your videos. Mostly it is used for it is a SaaS product designed to help YouTube creators find topics and keywords for their videos. The tool has a robust YouTube SEO feature set that assists with creating SEO-friendly titles, description, and tags. There you have it, the moneymaker itself, so that you can be able to know how you are going to make money on YouTube. This is a very good tool. If you're a content creator and you don't have it, trust me, you are missing out. So let's see. How do you increase your VPH on YouTube? There's so much information on this Google. So a way to make you know more about the VidIQ tool. Is it certified? Those are some of the questions that you may be having. Yes, it is certified, and in March 2013, it appeared on the founders. You see, so much information on Google about the extension tool. How do you use VidIQ to boost? By boost, thinking that they are talking about how to boost your clicks on YouTube. So to boost the video, you see there are all instructions here. You can get it and you can be able to follow all those instructions from the Google. Like I said, this is a very free to download extension. So please make sure you download it and be able to use it on your videos. Like I said, it is a free tool. So the first thing that I was saying, that you are going to install it, you sign up for free. If you don't have a Google account, you just create one and you sign up. And then when you log in, this is how it will be when you go and open a video on YouTube. Like you've seen, you can see all the analytics here, and you can be able to know how your video can be ranked or is being ranked on YouTube. The graphs, the everything, the checklist on optimization. It is a very good tool, and I recommend everyone to be in a position or to download it for free, because these things are here so that you can be able to make money. As you all know, my channel is all about showing you ways on which you can earn extra income, be it passive income. You say it, well, I'm going to show you those skills so that you can be able to get richer and be a millionaire in this 21st century. Thank you very much for watching, and as you can see, it is a free tool, and be sure to download it and use it on Google Chrome, not any other